telling me to overstroke. My conscience telling me to overdose. The way you shake like I'm playing with your Holy Ghost. My wood pencil got your bed sheets taking notes. Get it? Your bed sheets taking notes. Body.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Saygbah. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I flat iron my hair, okay? Because people always ask me how I get my hair to be this sleek and laid and all that. It's literally two things, the kryptonite. Like, this is the key to a successful flat and bone straight hair. And you need a flat iron. It don't have to be like this brand. You can use any brand that you have. I use this one and a small tooth comb. That's it, literally. That's all you need. But look at this though. Yes, look at this greatness. So yeah, baby girl, like, you cannot make this up, okay? This is quantity. It's like, let me stop, but yeah, bear with me. This is literally what I do. The smaller my portion size, the better I have control over it. Look, they're talking about portion size like some of that meal I'm about to eat. But I have a lot of clips, so okay. So let's start off. I'm very big on smaller size because I be wanting my hair bone straight. Okay, so I start off by combing it first. And I use the hot comb. Run the hot comb through it first. You see the thick part of the flat comb, like that part right there? That's why you basically just stick on it. So I keep going. So I get all the way at the bottom. When I get done, I take my flat iron. You can use any flat iron. And I run it through it first. Then I get my little small tooth comb. And I do the chase method. That's what it's called, the chase method. I saw it on YouTube somewhere a long time ago. Is this thing still on? No, it's not on. But, so you put the comb in the hair. The flat iron is on. Get it and chase it with it. This is literally how I get my hair bone straight. And that's it. And usually I run this through it like 1 or 2 times. Because I love my hair being bone straight, okay? When we say bone straight, I literally mean straight. Comb through it. Literally, this hair have not been done nothing to. Run the hot comb through it. Do that first. Then run that through it. Keep doing that. So people always ask me how I get my hair like. So I always ask how I get my hair flat on the top. Because I love my hair being flat on the top, okay? Like, flat on the top. Like, girl, shit is laid on the top. This is the bad head. wax. I just slick on it. But let me show you how I get my hair to be bone straight on the top. I use the same method for everything else, okay? Nothing changes. But I just like my hair flat. I don't like when girls wear hair, like, we know it's not our real hair, but it don't have to be that obvious, okay? It don't have to be like, damn, she have a wig on. Yes, you can have your wig on, but it don't have to be so obvious. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you how I get my hair to be sleek. So, as usual, run the hot comb through it. You see, after you run the hot comb through it automatically, the goal here is to get the hot comb on the root. I do this on my head, but if I do it on my head, it burns. So I do it on the mannequin first. So that way when I'm doing it on my head, it's not, I don't have to really do as much. Yep, that's it. And now, run the hot comb, the hot flat iron through it. Then you run a flat iron through it. This is literally how I get my hair bone straight. You see that? Boom. Go to the next one. Part it. Let me show you. See how right now the roots are not flat? You run your hot comb through it. Literally stick it on it. Doing it on your hair is gonna make it burn. It's like when you stick the hot comb in it, give it like that perm look. So it make it like super sleek. You see? Then now I just go in with the hot comb. I'm the flat iron and just flat iron it. Yep. That's it. And for the flyaways, I just put a little bit and that's it. See? This is how I get my hair sleek. And if I put it on my head and I don't think it's sleek enough, I will stick this bad boy on my head. So, boom. Don't let it sit there for too long. You'll burn your hair. Just literally just. This is how I get my hair bone straight. Boom. Then go to the next one. This is literally how I get my hair bone straight. Okay, this is it. This is all I do to get my hair bone straight.
Right there. Coming through. Get the hot comb. Stick it on top. You don't want that bulky top here, okay? That is not attractive. I've seen a lot of people that insist we can have that, okay? So, literally, this hot comb is the best friend if you wear weave, okay? If you feel like this is too hot, because sometimes I'll do this on my hair even when I put the hair on, I feel like it's not like flat. I still like do this on my head, but not as like sticking to my scalp because that shit burns. And this is it.
girl.